Alright, welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to the Chupacabra Tutorials channel. I'm your host, Larry, and today we're going to be talking about the settings for the Amazon Games Launcher. There's not a lot of them, but they're down here underneath of your account name in the lower left-hand corner. It's just whatever the name of your account is. And this is the place where you can do things like you can provide feedback to Amazon, like maybe there's a bug happening and you need them to just be aware of it. You can click on feedback. You can also get support both for the various games inside of Amazon's game launcher, along with just technical problems that you're having with the launcher by clicking on support. Both of these will take you to the website. About is just tells you about the current version of the Amazon Games Launcher. There's no really frills or thrills about it. It just tells you what the current version is called. This is probably useful in case you need to tell the Amazon representative which version you're currently running. This could tell them if the issue you're having is because it's outdated, because the new version's borked, whatever. It's good to have this information. Beyond that, you can go down to your settings, and this is just some really basic stuff like, do you want Amazon Launch Games app on your system startup? Do you want this to be there, ready for you all the time? You can tell it to automatically update the games app when the computer's idle. You can go down here and it says things like automatically update games when a new version is available. This might be important for you to toggle off for certain scenarios, like people who play with mods. Game updates break mods, so that's not always a good thing. Pause new game installation and updates while you're playing a current game. This is useful when you're playing a multiplayer game, and this might cause, lag when you're playing the game to also be downloading something. And you can also set a throttle of the game download speed to whatever speed you want in this pull down. This is useful if you are in a household with more than one person who's using the internet. That way you can download the game at a preset speed so it'll actually get downloaded while also not completely horking the internet for everybody else in the house. And then the last major setting you've got is start automatic updates for games and the Amazon Games app between a certain time of day. So a lot of people like to do this in the early morning when they're asleep. Reasonable, because then you're not using the computer and things being laggy wouldn't bother you. And the only other option beyond that is to sign out and sign into a different account if you find on a shared computer that you don't have your games, so you need to log into your Amazon account versus Jeff's Amazon account or whatever. So that'd be it for this one, ladies and gentlemen. This has been a look at account settings inside of Amazon Games Launcher. It's really just the Games Launcher itself's settings, but there you go. So that'll be it. Have a good one, and bye.